Introduction. Discover the beauty of calm in a small front yard. A peaceful outdoor space does not require a large property. Even the smallest front yard can become a tranquil retreat with thoughtful planning and timeless Zen-inspired elements. In this video, we will explore inspiring ideas that combine natural textures, clean lines, and calming greenery. From elegant entry gates to relaxing garden paths, every detail is designed to create harmony while making the most of limited space. The philosophy behind a Zen garden: creating balance through simplicity. Zen gardens embrace simplicity rather than excess. Instead of filling every corner with decorations, each stone, plant, and pathway has a purpose. This philosophy encourages peaceful living by removing visual clutter and highlighting nature's quiet beauty. A small front yard becomes a place where every element contributes to balance, comfort, and mindfulness. Designing a welcoming garden entrance. A front gate that invites serenity. The journey begins at the entrance. A simple wooden gate paired with natural fencing immediately creates a warm and peaceful impression. Clean horizontal lines, soft wood tones, and subtle landscaping help establish a welcoming atmosphere. The entrance should gently guide visitors into the garden while offering privacy without feeling closed or overwhelming. Choosing natural materials: wood, stone, and gravel in perfect harmony. Natural materials define the timeless beauty of Zen gardens. Weathered wood fences, smooth stepping stones, decorative gravel, and large river rocks blend beautifully together. These textures create visual interest while maintaining a calm appearance. Their earthy colors complement surrounding plants, making the garden feel grounded and connected with nature. Building a relaxing stone path. Every step becomes a peaceful experience. A thoughtfully designed pathway transforms the garden into an inviting journey. Large stepping stones separated by fine gravel encourage slower movement and appreciation of the surroundings. Gentle curves create mystery and elegance, making even a compact front yard feel larger than it actually is while leading visitors naturally toward the home's entrance. Minimalist plant selection. Less variety creates more harmony. Instead of planting dozens of flower varieties, a Zen-inspired garden focuses on carefully selected greenery. Ornamental grasses, dwarf pines, Japanese maples, moss, ferns, and evergreen shrubs create year-round beauty. Limiting the color palette allows textures and shapes to become the main visual attraction, producing a calm and organized landscape. The beauty of moss and ground cover. Soft green carpets that calm the mind. Ground covers play a major role in creating peaceful scenery. Moss, creeping thyme, and other low-growing plants soften the hard edges of stone pathways while reducing maintenance. Their lush texture brings freshness throughout the seasons and creates a natural transition between gravel, rocks, and larger planting beds. Incorporating decorative rocks. Nature sculptures for timeless appeal. Large natural stones become artistic focal points within a Zen garden. Carefully placed rocks symbolize mountains, islands, or natural landscapes while adding structure to the design. Grouping stones in odd numbers often creates a more balanced composition. Their weathered appearance adds character without requiring constant care. Adding a small water feature. Gentle sounds that soothe the soul. A compact fountain or bamboo water feature introduces the relaxing sound of flowing water. Even a tiny water basin can dramatically change the atmosphere by masking street noise and encouraging relaxation. The gentle movement also attracts birds, bringing additional life and natural beauty to the front yard. Elegant wooden fences. Privacy with warm natural character. A simple wooden fence provides both function and beauty. Vertical slats, horizontal panels, or bamboo screens create privacy while maintaining an open feeling. Natural finishes age gracefully over time, allowing the fence to blend seamlessly with surrounding greenery and reinforcing the peaceful Zen aesthetic. Soft outdoor lighting. Creating evening tranquility. Lighting transforms the garden after sunset without overpowering its peaceful mood. Warm LED pathway lights, subtle lanterns, and concealed uplighting highlight stones, trees, and architectural features. Gentle illumination improves safety while preserving the quiet atmosphere that makes Zen-inspired gardens so inviting during the evening hours. A cozy seating corner, a quiet place to pause and reflect. Even the smallest front yard can include a comfortable seating area. A simple wooden bench positioned beneath a small tree or beside a stone arrangement provides a perfect location for morning coffee or evening relaxation. Minimal furniture keeps the space open while encouraging moments of quiet reflection. Framing the home with greenery. Plants that complement the architecture. The garden should enhance the home's exterior rather than compete with it. Carefully positioned shrubs, ornamental grasses, and compact trees soften walls and fences while framing windows and entryways. This balanced arrangement creates visual harmony between architecture and landscape, making the home feel naturally integrated into its surroundings. Seasonal interest without clutter. A garden beautiful throughout the year. A well-designed Zen garden remains attractive in every season. Evergreen plants provide structure during winter, while flowering shrubs and colorful foliage add gentle seasonal highlights. Rather than relying on excessive decoration, natural changes throughout the year become the garden's most beautiful display. Maintaining a clean and organized space. Simple care for lasting beauty. One of the greatest advantages of a minimalist landscape is its manageable maintenance. Regular sweeping of gravel, occasional pruning, and removing fallen leaves preserve the clean appearance. Consistent care keeps the garden feeling peaceful while preventing overgrowth that could disturb the balanced design. Blending modern and traditional elements. A fresh interpretation of Zen style. Modern architecture pairs beautifully with traditional Zen landscaping. Clean concrete surfaces, black steel gates, and minimalist lighting complement timeless natural materials like wood and stone. This combination creates a contemporary outdoor space that still honors centuries-old principles of balance and simplicity. Enhancing small spaces with smart layouts, making every square meter feel larger. Thoughtful planning maximizes every inch of available space. Layered planting, carefully placed focal points, diagonal pathways, and open gravel areas create visual depth.